Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anand and today in the JavaScript tutorial I'll show you how to find palindrome text or number. So in this video I'll show you the palindrome text, but same thing you can write for the number as well. So first of all you have to understand what is palindrome. So palindrome means, here you can see I have taken one text, or you can say it sentence, okay, but it can be word also, single word also, right? The thing is, when you will reverse that sentence or word, so that time it will be same. So here I will take one variable const, okay, CLR is, this is the short form of clear, str is the short form of string, okay. So I'm writing variable like this way, clear string, the short form like this way, but variable name you can write anything, so that's why I have written like this way. And now if I try to reverse this sentence, so reverse means here the ending one will be the starting one, right? So here the ending is n, so here I will write n, then after that OLEM, so OLEM, right? Then ON, so ON, like this way I'm reversing, right? So here one thing you have to remember, like when we try to find the palindrome, so that time we don't consider space and special character, okay. So space means those space we don't consider, and special character means like comma comes under special character, dot, okay, hyphen, those are comes under special character, so those things we don't consider, okay. So now ON, so after that NOMEL, so here NOMEL, then ON, this one, right? So like this. So now here just if I rearrange this sentence, so no, if I add space, okay, and here if I remove space, and again if I add space, and here if I remove space, so now the sentence is same, right? No lemon, no melon, and after reversing, no lemon, no melon, so both sentence are same after reversing, so this is a palindrome sentence, right? So here I have given example of sentence, but it can be word, it can be number as well, okay. So same thing, whatever code I will write to find this palindrome, so same code you can write for the word and number as well. So now here I told already we don't consider space and special character. Also we don't consider like case sensitive. Case sensitive means here n starting is capital and after that small, okay. So we don't consider this case sensitive also, means here if I remove the space and the special character and the case sensitive, either all character uppercase or lowercase, so here I'll write lowercase, so no, and if I remove the space, and here also remove space and the special character, and here also remove the space, and same thing after reversing also if I remove this, okay. So now you will find this sentence exact same, right? So this is a palindrome. So when you will try to find a palindrome number sentence, so that time by code you have to remove special character and space, and you have to make it either uppercase or lowercase, but the question will just occupy any kind of special character and the space also, but when you will try to find it by code you have to remove the space and the special character. This thing you have to remember, because this is the very important thing and the main part of to find the palindrome, okay. I hope you have understood. If you still have any doubt, so you can write in the comment section, I'll try to solve your doubt. So now in this variable here, just I have reversed this code and remove the special character like without code, right? But here you have to write by code, because we don't know the what sentence it will be here, so by code we have to reverse. So here I will write str dot replace. So what is replace? The replace is the JavaScript predefined method. If you want to replace anything, like here str dot replace, if I want to remove, I mean replace this n, so here I can write like this n comma, and whatever I mean by which I want to replace, like I want to replace this n by o, so you can do that. So this n will replace by o. So let's see in the console, so it will be more clear. So console dot log and this clear string variable and save. And now if I come and see here, this n is replaced by o, right? So if you want to replace anything, so you can use this method. So here what I want to replace, I don't want to replace n actually, right? I want to replace this space, this space with no space, right? Here we have space, so we want to replace those space and special character with no space. So here I will write like this. If I write like this, so it will add space, but I want to remove space, so I will write like this. Okay, and now what I want to replace, I don't want to replace n exactly, I want to replace special character and space. So for that purpose you have to write regex. So don't be confused or don't worry about that. Regex is very simple, I will explain. So the starting of the regex is like this. Okay, starting and ending, right? Backslash. So inside this backslash you have to write your code. So here what I'll do, just another thing is this square bracket, right? Inside this backslash you have to write square bracket. So inside the square bracket here, apart from any kind of character, okay, and number, if there is any special character and space, so that time I'll remove that, I mean I will replace by no space. Okay, so apart from any character or number. So here in JavaScript, not equals to or not sign means we write this syntax, this one, right? So here in regex we write this one. So this one where you will get, you have the number 6. Okay, 6 button in your keyboard. So just press shift plus 6 number button. Okay, here I'll show you. So shift button plus 6. Okay, so you will get this one. Okay, so now here, so this one, so not, if not this character, so character, it can be a small letter or it can be capital letter. Here those are small letter and those are capital, so both we have to consider. So here I write a hyphen z capital, means if I mean apart from capital A to Z, then apart from small a to z, then 0 to 9, if not number. So if apart from those, okay, apart from those whatever we have in this sentence, means apart from those means we have special character, comma, we have space, so those will be replaced by this one. Okay, so it is very simple. This is the regex. You have to write another thing, which is g. G means global. Okay, global means here first of all n is here and here also. So if you don't write this g, so it will replace the first one only, but it won't consider here in, here also in, it won't consider this one. So global means it will check entire sentence. Okay, entire sentence or entire word, not only the first character. So that is the global. So this is the simple regex. So now here, and another thing I have to do, I already told, we have to make it either lowercase or uppercase. So here another JavaScript predefined method, to lowercase. To lowercase means it will convert entire character like with two lowercase, I mean small letter. Okay, so now save, and if I check here, see it is converted like this. So if I write here instead of lowercase, if I write here uppercase like this, so it will convert with uppercase. See here, so anything you can take, okay, lowercase or uppercase, whatever you want. So I will take here lowercase, and here I have replaced without space. Okay, with no space, you can say it. But if I replace by space, so how it will look like? See, it will replace by space. Okay, but I need no space, so I like this way. Okay, so this one is done. So here the sentence is, I mean here like this: no lemon, no melon, but without any special character or without any space. So now here this is the sentence. Now here I'll take another variable which is const and reverse string. Okay, reverse string. So now this variable, okay, so here I'll reverse this one after removing space and the special character. I'll reverse that one, and after that I will check both are same or not. So here I'll write split. Okay, split, and this one means clear string, I mean this variable here, like it is coming this output. So here if I write split, so it will convert an array. So now I'll just console here, console dot log, and this one. So now let's see. So see here it is converted into an array, because without converting an array I cannot reverse this one. Okay, and after that reverse like this, and then this one. Okay, dot join means here now it is an array, right? But again I have to convert into a string. So join, and when I split it, so that time I use this one, means if no space, so there it will split, and join time also like this. So here you will find like this. Okay, so this one. But if I change here after reversing, it is same. That's why you are not understanding, because this is the palindrome sentence. But if it is not palindrome, means here if I add any another character, so it now this sentence is not a palindrome. So here see, after reversing son like this way, right? So here I'll remove this one. So without reverse and after reverse. Okay, like this. So now here I will check if this one, right, this clear string, okay, and here this reverse string. So if both are same, so that time I will console dot log, here I will write palindrome. Okay, and in the else I will write not palindrome, or whatever message you want to print you can write here. So here I'll just write not palindrome. Okay, not palindrome. Okay, and I'll remove these two console. So now here you can see it's a palindrome. But if I change this text here, so that time after reversing, this sentence will not be the same one. So here not palindrome. So I hope it is clear. So if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update.